Alright, we're doing the team draw now. Random is live for $6 break. Top person gets the 5 spots in the NT. Yeah, people in Chicago, obviously. It's 5:58 PM Melbourne time. I've already done that. Random live. Save this. Alrighty. Participants. Dice roll. We're going 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Jake Harvey gets a spot in the NT. Now the teams. Going 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. No. Random play. Team draw: Jake Harvey Warriors, Mick Pilak with the Rockets, Albie Chin with the Wolves, Van Houten Sixers, Andrew Cox Pelicans, Glenbow Pistons, Mick Ashton Pacers, Nick Powell Celtics, Grant McDonald with the Hawks and the Bulls, Dale with Mavericks, Jake Harvey Wizards, Dane Fountain Jazz, Cameron McDonald Magic, Roy Langford Clippers, Jalen Bella Kings, Mick Pilak Lakers, Grant McDonald Hornets, Jake Harvey Suns, Dale Nets, Jalen with the Bucks, Albie Chin with the Thunder, Ryan Taylor Spurs, Van Houten Cavs, Adam Carter Nuggets, Matty Blazers, Grant McDonald Raptors, Mick Ashton Heat, Mr. Holland Knicks, and Pilak Grizz.